Should you invest in Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing? Let's analyze it on GrowthShares. This analysis is split into three factors: the business, the stock, and the price. Within each factor are a total of 11 metrics from business growth, performance, to intrinsic value. Each of the three factors and 11 metrics are given a grade from 0 to 99, with 50 to 59 being considered average. The three factors are then graded and combined to get our final grade. Before we begin, there will be quite a few numbers and metrics in this video, so I've made a separate video detailing everything to get you caught up. I encourage you to pause this video anytime so you can better understand the numbers. Consider becoming a GrowthShares Patreon member and get access to my spreadsheet with every grade from every company I've analyzed. It's updated all the time. Head to patreon.com/GrowthShares or click on the link in the description. First, let's look at the company's business factor, which accounts for 45% of the analysis. This factor basically asks the questions, do we think this is a good business to own? The business is made up of these 6 metrics and their given grades. When we put them together, we get the company's business grade. Next, let's look at the company's stock factor, which accounts for 35%. This factor basically asks the question, will the stock grow enough in the future to justify an investment? The stock is made up of these 4 metrics and their given grades. When we put them together, we get the company's stock grade. Third, let's look at the company's price factor, which accounts for 20%. This factor basically asks the question, what is the most you should pay for the company? Here's the company's price grade and intrinsic value per share. By combining the business, the stock, and the price, we get the overall outlook of the company, which gives us its final grade and its type of investment. But what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Invest wisely, and as always, take care of your money.